All right, so let's take a look. Here is what happened in the markets today, Monday, January 4th, and we will do this in 4 minutes or less. So today was the first trading day of 2021, and the market started the year with losses. In fact, it was the worst start in 5 years. So let's take a look at all of the indices. So as you can see, the Dow Jones here lost 382 points and is down 1.25%. Let's move over to the S&P 500. So the S&P 500 dropped 1.48%, as you can see here. And then we also have the NASDAQ, and the NASDAQ lost 1.5%, as you can see right here. So all indices were down. Today was the biggest one-day sell-off since October 28th for the Dow and the S&P 500. But it could have been worse. So to take a look at the 5-minute chart here. So here this morning, the Dow opened slightly higher, but then went all the way down from there. Now, during the lunch break, this is right around here. So during the lunch break, the Dow found some support, as did the other indices, and then drifted slightly higher going into the close. Now, without that, the Dow would have had its worst year, or its worst start to a year, since 1932. So why did the markets sold off today? Well, traders are concerned about the growing number of coronavirus cases and its potential impact on the economy. So take a look at this here. As you can see, the new cases are still on the rise. So they have leveled out at a super high level, almost 800,000 new cases every single day. And there was also some bad news from the UK. You see, the UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson announced that beginning on January 5th, England will go into a national lockdown. Also, tomorrow are the runoff elections for the Senate. Now, in November, markets like the idea that we have a split government, which means a Democratic president, a Republican Senate, and a Democratic House of Representatives. But if Democrats win the Georgia runoff election, the Senate would become Democratic as well, which would be the blue wall that Wall Street is concerned about, because traders are concerned that corporate tax rates would rise substantially if the Democrats got control over the Senate. And Wall Street doesn't like that at all. Now, in other news, Bitcoin, BTC rallied above 34,000 this weekend. Let's just zoom in, take a look at this. But then it has a massive drop today to around 28,000. Still quite volatile, but as you can see, Bitcoin is on the move, and the move is up. So what can we expect this week from the markets? Well, tomorrow and Wednesday, the big focus will be on the runoff election in Georgia, where Democrats and Republicans are fighting for the majority in the Senate. So expect some volatility over the next 2 days. Now, this wraps up today's stock market news in 4 minutes or less, and it only took us 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Now, anyhow, keep in mind, trade what you see, not what you think, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great rest of your day.